Hi everyone, welcome back to Hain Academy, and in this video I'm going over an example problem that covers the concept of slope-intercept form and the equation of the line. And now we are going to solve this problem. Find the equation of a straight line that passes through -2, 3 and 1, -2. And now we are given 2 points, but then we want to find the equation of a straight line. In order to find the equation of a straight line, we can use this slope-intercept form, and that is y is equal to mx plus c. That's the slope-intercept form. So we're going to use this equation to find the equation of the line that passes through -2, 3 and 1, -2. So let's give the name -2, 3 as point A, and for point B, we will name it as 1, -2. So we have 2 points given, but on this formula to find the equation, we don't know what's m, and we don't know what c value is, and the m stands for the slope that measures how steep the line is, and c stands for the y-intercept. That shows where the straight line will cut the y-axis. So for the first thing that we can find is we can find the slope of the line given 2 points, and the formula is given by the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we have 2 points, and if we use this point as point 1, then we will use the x value and y value as x1 y1, that will be x2 y2. And if you're using this value as the y1, then this x value of 1 and y value of -2 will be instead of x1 and y1. So it doesn't matter which point you give x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. For convenience, I will use b as the point 2, so I will plug in y2 as -2 and minus y1 is 3. And x2 is 1 minus x1 is -2. I always prefer to put brackets when we have 2 signs. In that way, it helps me to clarify the signs and avoid mistakes. So -5 here and 1 plus 2. Plus here, because it's negative, it becomes positive. So that is -5/3. That's the slope of the line, and that's the first step. And now we can find the y-intercept using either of this point and using the value of the slope that we just found here. The next step is y is equal to mx plus c, and for m, we are going to use -5/3, and let's use the first point. So -2, 3. So -2 is x value and 3 is y value plus c. Let's move all the way up so that I have space here. And now we have 3 here, and we have excuse me, it's gonna be positive. So 5 times 2 is 10 divided by 3 plus c. So the c value will be, we will be subtracting 10/3 on both sides. That will be 10/3 here, and on the right side it will be cancelled out because it's gonna be positive and negative 10/3. We have the value as 9 minus 10 divided by 3. If we find the common denominator, and here it's gonna be -1/3. That's the value of c. So we have the equation y is equal to mx plus c, and now we found the value of m, and we have found the value of c. So let's plug in to the y equal to mx plus c formula, also known as the slope-intercept form. So y is equal to mx plus c, and Here we have the slope as negative 5 by 3 x plus c, and c we have the negative 1/3. Negative 1/3. This is the equation of the line that passes through negative 2, 3 and 1, negative 2. So let's check if this equation makes sense or not. So let's use either one of these points and check whether this equation is correct. So let's use negative 2, 3. So let's mark it down, negative 2, 3. So let's say if we plug the value of x in the equation, and if we get the value of y, which is 3 here, then our equation is correct. Let's check it out. So y is equal to negative 5 by 3, and for the value of x, we will be plugging in negative 2 and minus 1/3. So 5 times 2 is going to be positive 10, and of course negative times negative is going to be positive. So 10 by 3 minus 1/3. So that will be 10 minus 1, it's 9, divided by 3, that will be 3 times 1, and then 3 times 3, and y is equal to 3. Voila! So we got this point. That shows that our equation is correct. And that's how you check whether your equation makes sense or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.